We go to question 5. They said, in the UK, consumers who remain loyal to their broadband provider pay on average an extra £113 per year. So if you are paying extra, it simply means you are irrational. You are irrational. Okay? So which one of the following is an example of inertia in the broadband market? So let's see. For inertia, it happens when you feel lazy to be able to switch or to make decisions. So inertia occurs when consumers feel lazy to switch from one product or service to another. As a result, they make irrational decisions.
They don't want to change. They're used to what they're doing,
they feel reluctant to change. So this is irrational behavior.
Okay.
So the answer is D. Yes. So let's look at why it is not A, B, and C. Consumers remain with their current provider because they cannot calculate the possible savings. They can calculate. If they said consumers remain with their current provider because they cannot calculate. They can calculate, but they feel like paying that. Mm-hmm. Consumers remain with their current provider because they do not feel valued. No. If they don't feel valued, they would have left. No. They feel valued, that is why they are staying. C. Consumers remain with their current provider because they are influenced by the behavior of their friends and family. No, they are not influenced by friends and family here, but it is about
just change. They don't want to change.
They just don't want to change. If they are influenced by friends and family, then maybe they would have changed because their friends and family would have changed as a result. Consumers remain, yeah, that's the answer anyway. So we move on to question 6. For question 6, okay, I'll explain it. So for question 6, I did it? Where is it? Okay, yeah. So they said, the diagram shows the market for sugar sweetening drink in Peru. In 2018, Peru's government imposed an ad valorem tax, which is an indirect tax. Taxes on consumption or expenses on sugar sweetened drinks. So here, the graph is telling us that there's cost, an increase in cost, yeah? So here they said there's imposition of tax. With imposition of tax, the price consumers will be paying would increase. Yes, yeah. Do you understand? The price consumers will pay would increase. So before now, the price is around, it's 2.05. Now, we need to understand, based on the imposition of tax, they said, which one of the following shows the value of the consumer incidence of the tax? Producer incidence of tax will be at 2.5, and consumer incidence will be at 3.0.
Wait, 2.5 is what?
Producer incidence of tax. Incidence of tax. Okay. And consumer incidence of tax will be at 3.1. Do you get it here? Because based on the imposition of tax, the supply curve shifts leftward from S to X tax. Yes or no? So that means the quantity supply in the market reduces from 380 to 210. That is the first point. Are you with me? So if there's a reduction, that means it contracts from 380 to 210. So the quantity supply in the market now is 210. So how do we know the consumer incidence of tax? It will be the amount suppliers are charging and the amount consumers are paying. So it is 3.10 minus 2.5. Do you understand? So it is 0.6 multiplied by the quantity supplied, which is 210. So 0.6 multiplied by 210 is 126,000.
0.6?
Yeah, because that the demand curve, look at your demand curve.
Yes.
Demand curve ends at 3.10. Yes. Supply curve is reducing from S to S tax, right? Which means producers will be paying 2.5. Consumers will be paying 3.10. Do you get the graph analysis here? So the difference between 2.5 and 3.10 is 0.6. Okay. Then the quantity supplied has reduced from 380 to 210,000. Yeah. Based on the position of tax. So it is 0.6 multiplied by 210,000. And that is 126,000. So the answer is B. Is it clear now?
Yes. But wait, it's multiplied by what?
Multiplied by 210,000.
How much did you bring 210,000?
What?
From where did you bring the 200,000?
210, not 210,000.
200, yeah, it's 210,000 because it's in thousands. Look, it's in thousands.
Here, 1,000, quantity thousands.
It's in thousands.
Oh. Okay.
Is it clear now? Yes. Do you get it now, please? Or do you want me? Okay, yeah, sure.
I understand.
So there's a supply curve. It's easy. The supply curve has shifted leftward from S to S tax. As a result of that, the quantity supplied would reduce to 210. So before the imposition, the price is at 2.05. Now with imposition of tax, suppliers will pay 2.5.
The answer of 310 times 210.
310 minus.
Times 2.5.
310.
Show her, please. Show her the calculation.
Oh, okay. 310 times 2.5 equals
Minus
6.
2.5.
Minus 2.5.
Or minus
Yeah, don't you see?
equals 0.6.
It's not.
Oh my god, my basic math.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, show me.
Okay.
Can we go backwards?
No, it's okay. Continue. Continue, please.